Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure you're signed into an admin account and connected to the internet. This enables downloads and driver installs. Open Device Manager right away. Right-click Start or press Win plus X and select Device Manager. Once open, expand the Bluetooth category to reveal the adapter and any paired devices. Note the exact adapter name. If you don't see Bluetooth, check View Show Hidden Devices and quickly scan for unknown entries so you can act on the correct device next. Right-click the Bluetooth adapter and choose Update Driver. Select Search automatically for updated driver software to let Windows try first. If that fails or returns an older version, visit the OEM or laptop support page and download the exact driver for your adapter and OS build. This matters because generic drivers can limit features. Once downloaded, return to Device Manager, pick Update Driver, right arrow browse My Computer, point to the folder you saved, and follow prompts to install and replace the existing driver. After installation, restart your PC to apply changes and then open Settings Bluetooth and Devices to confirm the adapter appears and can toggle on. Test pairing with a known device. If pairing fails, go back to Device Manager and use Properties right arrow driver, right arrow roll back driver, or uninstall the device and reinstall the correct driver. If problems persist, ensure the Bluetooth support service is running, disable airplane mode, and try a different driver version from the OEM. This single troubleshooting step often resolves compatibility hiccups.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.